Good morning, guys. Welcome to Math Lesson 88. Now, you're probably thinking, wow, que weird, que raro, there's nothing on the board for math. Well, that's because your page today, we're on pages 175 to 176. It's a review page, so I'm just going to talk you through the directions and then the rest is up to you because tomorrow you have a test. So, look at the top of page 175. It says, a schedule is a plan for the way you will use your time. It's an horario. This schedule was made by Lily's family for their trip to the Philadelphia Zoo. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Philadelphia Zoo. This is the information that's found at the very bottom of your page. The Philadelphia Zoo was opened in 1859, making it the oldest zoo in the United States. A network of mesh trails throughout the zoo allows many of the animals to leave their habitats and roam around above the zoo grounds. All right, so let's see what we have. We have the horario for Lily and her family. It says Lily and Lily's family allow themselves to get 15 minutes from one exhibit to another. So they're going from una exhibición, una área de la zoo a otro, y ellos permitieron 15 minutos para viajar de uno a la otro. Number 1, answer these questions about the schedule. Letter A, how long will it take Lily's family to travel to the zoo? Well, let's find that on the horario. It's the second one down. It says travel to the zoo. Put that up so you can see it. Okay. So they start at 9 o'clock because our schedule says from 8:45 to 9 o'clock they pack the cars. They're empacando el carro. 9 o'clock to 9:45 they travel to the zoo. So how many minutes ya han pasado desde las 9 en la mañana hasta 9:45 en la mañana? ¿Cuántos minutos? Poner su respuesta aquí en la línea. Letra B. Lily will see 2 keeper presentations. What time will each one begin? Okay, so look on the horario. So we have pack the car, travel to the zoo. From 10 to 10:30, keeper presentation, treetop trail. From 10:45 to 11:45, reptile and amphibian house. From 12 o'clock to 12:30, keeper presentation, giant otter. From 12:30 to 1:30, lunch. From 1:30 to 2:30, Carnivore Kingdom. From 2:45 to 3:45, Rare Animal Conservation Center. From 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, Monkey Junction. And from 5 o'clock to 5:45, Travel Home. So, did you hear the 2 keeper presentations? All you need to do is write what time they begin. The time that something begins is the very first time in the horario. So this is the time that something begins, this is the time that something ends. So find the 2 keeper presentations and write what time each one begins. Solo the time it begins, not the time it ends. Letra C, what time is lunch? So this is just what time does lunch begin? Letra D, what exhibit will Lily's family visit at 4 o'clock? So find that on the horario. How long will they spend at the Rare Animal Conservation Center? So find that on the horario. It's that one right there. How long? They're going to be there from 2:45 to 3:45. What time is that? How long is that? And letter F, what time do they plan to arrive back home? So look at the bottom where it says travel home. What's the last time that you see there? So what time do they expect to be home? Escribir eso en la línea. Okay, then turn your paper over. Number 2 says write the answers. Use the code to discover the names of the mammals. Color the animals. So what you need to do is first of all start by doing all of the math problems. 49 divided by 7 is what? 84 divided by 7 is what? 63 divided by 7 is what? Then you use those answers to complete the puzzle at the bottom. So 49 divided by 7 is what? 7, very good. Now next to that problem you have in red the letter A. So you're going to go down to your puzzle, so this part here, you're going to go down to your puzzle, and everywhere that you see the number 7, you're going to put the letter A above it. Okay, everywhere you see the letter number 7. And you'll do the same thing with the other letters. We've done puzzles like this before. Okay, and then color the animals. That's all that you have to do for math today. This is probably one of your shortest lessons ever, so enjoy that. If you have any questions, if you're dudando anything, and you want to practice any concepts before your examen mañana, just let me know and I would be happy to help you. Have a wonderful day, guys. I love you very, very much. Bye.